This video will demonstrate how to use Google Slides to post your daily agenda to Google Classroom. So in this example, I've used Google Slides to create a daily agenda where I'll show my students what we're going to do each day in class. What I like to do is to place these in reverse chronological order. So you can see my slide here starts with Friday, then goes down to Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. The reason for this is that as I am working on my week and planning out my lessons, the slide where I want students to see is always going to be listed at the top. One thing that I found for this technique I'm going to be demonstrating today is that it's important to have a title slide. Later on we're going to be talking about hiding some slides, and for some reason Google Slides doesn't like it when the first slide is hidden. So if you have a title slide here, that will help correct the problem of having a hidden slide that always wants to appear. So for example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this presentation and I'm going to go to File and then Publish to the Web. At that point I'm going to click on the Publish button and click the OK button. And that gives me a URL to the actual presentation, not to the Google Slides where I could edit my slides, but just to the presentation. That's all I want my students to be able to see. So I'm going to right click on that URL and choose copy. I can then close that menu item. And now I'm going to move over to Google Classroom. And under my Google Classroom page, I'm going to make sure that I'm under my Classwork tab. And I'm going to click Create. I'm going to choose an assignment. I'm going to call this assignment Daily Resources. Daily resources are going to allow me to post a number of different items. One of those items might be my syllabus, another item might be my daily agenda. So for example, this is not an actual assignment, so I'm going to change points to ungraded. My topic, I'm going to organize this under my classroom or class resources topic. And then I could add a syllabus here from my drive, but in this case what we did is we published our daily agenda, and I'm just going to post that link here. So I'm going to click on the link, right click and choose paste. There's the link that I copied earlier. I'll click on add link, and then now this will be the link to that actual daily agenda, that set of slides. I'll click assign. So this is now going to be posted, meaning that students will be able to see it. When students go to their classwork page, they'll click on Daily Resources, and then they'll be able to click on Daily Agenda. When they click on Daily Agenda, the slides will open up, and as they click, they can see their agenda for the day. But let's say that it's Tuesday, September 4th, and not yet Friday. So I don't want them to see Friday, Thursday, or Wednesday. I want them to only see Tuesday. So what I can do is I'm going to close this tab. I'll keep my classroom page open. Over here on my daily agenda, where I as the teacher am kind of building my agenda for the week, I'm going to hide Friday by right clicking on it and choosing skip slide. That gives me this little hidden symbol. I'll do the same thing for Thursday, and again skip slide for Wednesday. If today is September 4th, I want the students to be able to see today's agenda. And then if they're absent, I'd want them to see the previous day's agenda as well, which was Labor Day, so we didn't have any school. So in this case, now that I've hidden these three slides, when students go to their Google Classroom page and they click on Daily Agenda, the presentation will open up, but this time you'll see they are not able to see Friday, Thursday, or Wednesday. So when I click, it jumps right to Tuesday. Again, the trick to this is to make sure that you have a title slide that always appears, and then you can hide any slides after that. The next day, so Wednesday morning I would come in, I would right click on this Wednesday hidden slide, I would remove the check mark next to skip slide, and it now appears. And now when students come into class on Wednesday, they'll be able to click on the daily agenda, and when they open it, it'll take them right there to Wednesday. If they were gone on Tuesday, they'll be able to see the Tuesday agenda as well. This video demonstrated how to use Google Slides to post your daily agenda to Google Classroom.